we're staying at the Embassy Suites at the oceanfront. Oh, they put, oh my gosh. They gave us some wine. Oh my God, we sell this at my job. I work for a flower shop and we sell Wyclef. Look at that. So, just upon entering, there's a microwave, a little kitchenette with a sink, a fridge. Got anything? Nope. So there's that. You've got some storage on the bottom. And then it's a corner room, it looks like. So you got a nice work table here, a nice sitting area over here. More storage. Okay, luggage rack, safe, some shelving, extra pillows and blankets. And then a nice big king bed. I don't know about big, but nice. Big TV. I wonder what kind of streaming apps they have on there. Oh, they got books where you can, these are actual like books, signature cocktails. They've got an in-room book for the Cavalier, which is across the street. They got the Cavalier Resort restaurants. So this is nice. A little home away from home. I like the artwork that they have up there. Wow. We'll look at the view in just a second because we got two, I wonder if we've got two balconies. Because you got a door here and it looks like there might be a balcony there too. We'll see in just a second, but let's go check out the bathroom. Oh, it does look like we have a conjoined room. So if you have this room and you have a family, it's good. A nice full-size mirror. I'm not gonna get in front of that mirror because I am looking a little crazy right now. Okay, full shower. So most embassies have a shower, much like this now, with the toilet, and then the sink will be like right here. All of this extra room is usually not with it. Here, I don't want you guys to see because I'm looking a little crazy. So you got some extra towels, a hair dryer. The hair dryer's over there with some extra toilet paper. Nice big sink area with some more towels. You're gonna see me anyways. So yeah. All right, and oh, you got some plugs over there. So if you have your own hair irons and things, you can plug it up there. Nice big shower. Big rain shower. Well, not a rain shower head, but a nice big enough. We'll see how that feels. All right, so let's check out this view. Hello, guys. Oh, wow, it's a big wrap-around patio. Oh my God, does it really? It wraps around this whole thing. We have a wrap-around porch, little patio. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to see this during the day and be able to see the actual waves. Oh wow, look at the pool. You got a view of the pool and the ocean. Look, there's a fire pit going down there. I might just have to go sit down there. I might have to go exploring. I can't believe we have a whole patio, a wraparound patio. Well, hot diggity dog. Okay, so you remember how I said that Hilton and Marriott's are starting to do streaming services. So it looks like they have live TV, Netflix, Sirius, Pluto TV, Tubi. Do they not have YouTube? Oh, good, they have YouTube. Then I'm good. As long as we've got YouTube, we're straight. So yeah, you just, to log into your apps, you usually can either do it manually or you just hit a QR, what's the word I'm looking for? To sign into like your own account, you have to scan the QR code and log in or enter in your details the old-fashioned way. Oh my God. It does not get better than that. This is our view this morning. And there's nobody at the pool, of course, because it's freezing out. But look, there's not even any footprints on the sand. Look at how untouched it is. Oh, it looks like they have like a bar right there along the pool. I might go walk around a bit and see, you know, look at the property. I love that. I wonder if you can see the boats out there on camera. There's like a few boats like way out there. They got a spa, a distillery. I've been wanting to go to the Hunt Room. The Raleigh Room. The Raleigh Room, that's where we do our flowers for the Cavalier. We do flowers for the Raleigh Room. The beach bar. That's probably what's downstairs that I saw. They got an ice cream shop. Tacos and tequila is what I saw. That's probably by the pool. And then Arbuckles. They have a very jazz-themed hotel, I'm noticing, because like Bessie Smith. Everywhere they've got these like things for... Oh, go ahead. And then look, Cab, Benny, Ella, all of them. They do have an indoor pool, okay. And then right past it, they got the outdoor pool. Oh, look at the elephant. They also have a little marketplace, and then Arbuckles is the restaurant that you can get food at. And see, look, see another homage, see Arbuckle. All over this hotel you can see music things. Look, those look like drum cymbals behind the desk. And then over there, those look like the pipes to a piano organ. It's a beautiful hotel. I wish we could explore more.